We are in Colégio do Espírito Santo in Évora.
We decide to do a big annual meeting for Inish. We have a fantastic host. The place is very nice and I think the meeting is going very well.
It's a good place because we can be outdoors and indoors at the same time.
It's a great networking opportunity, especially as one of the younger PIs that just started out the group. It's really helpful to make connections, to get insights, and to also learn what's the pulse of chemical ecology doing at the moment.
It's important to have SMEs here so we can learn from all the fantastic chemical ecology research that's happening, and then we can in turn make better products, more sustainable products that includes nature-based solutions.
I think it was a good idea to show what are the young researchers are working on, and also give the possibility to every young researcher to present their work, and also to prepare this group presentation of their specific area inside chemical ecology.